All right, so I just sprayed on my non-stick butter spray. So it has a little flavor on the inside of the taco shell, okay? And then what you're going to do is you're going to mold it like so. You know, my hands are ashy because I've been washing them like crazy. Okay, so now I'm keeping these in the oven, baked at 350 for 6 minutes. More to come. All right, so I'm going to add onions, mushrooms. I'm gonna saute these, sear it a little bit. And I have my scallions and fresh tomatoes. I love tomatoes. And my spinach, all right? This taco salad is gonna be bomb. So I add my white onions with the kidney beans. The flavors together marry so good. And it's just gonna give the taco salad another element of taste. So it has the spinach, the mushroom, the kidney beans, the onions, and the scallions. So more to come, almost done with Duke's Deals $8 meal. I am searing my onions and mushrooms together. I'm gonna combine the taco salad. I'm gonna build it in just a sec. Don't go nowhere. Okay, Duke's Deals $8 meal is done. This is my veggie taco salad, y'all. All right, check it out. You have your black beans, your cucumbers, your mushrooms, your onions, the chia seeds. Let's get up and then you see your scallions, spinach is underneath, and the crispy taco shell. This all came in at $8. So please don't think that you have to spend a lot of money to eat healthy. It's not the case. All right, I promise you. Check out my page, look at all the $8 meals. And this meal can feed 2 to 4 people. The shells come in 4. All right, guys, have a great night. And just remember, who loves your baby? Peace.